Opening scene. Office environment with employees working. Welcome to the Future Files, where we explore the exciting transformations happening in the world of work. In this episode, we delve into the future of work, examining the impact of automation, the rise of remote work, and the skills that will shape success in the job market of tomorrow. Join me as we navigate the changing landscape of work. Visuals showcasing automation technologies. The nature of work is rapidly evolving, thanks to advancements in automation and artificial intelligence. Let's explore how automation is reshaping industries and redefining job roles. Segment 1. The Automation Revolution. Automation technologies are transforming industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, and everything in between. Visuals of robots, AI algorithms, and automated processes. Robots, AI algorithms, and automated processes are increasingly taking on repetitive, mundane tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex, creative, and strategic endeavors. We'll explore the potential benefits and challenges that come with automation and how it's reshaping the world of work. Segment 2. The Rise of Remote Work. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the adoption of remote work. Let's delve into the rise of remote work and its implications for the future. Visuals of people working from home or co-working spaces. Remote work has become a new norm, allowing employees to work from anywhere and providing flexibility and work-life balance. We'll examine the benefits, challenges, and long-term impacts of remote work on productivity, collaboration, and the overall work culture. Segment 3. The Skills for Tomorrow. As the world of work evolves, so do the skills needed to thrive in the future job market. Visuals representing various skills, such as digital literacy, critical thinking, and adaptability. Digital literacy, critical thinking, adaptability, and a growth mindset are becoming increasingly important. We'll explore how emerging technologies, such as AI and data analytics, are shaping the demand for these skills and discuss strategies for upskilling and reskilling to stay relevant in the ever-changing job market. Segment 4. The Future of Collaboration. Collaboration is an essential aspect of work. Let's explore how technology is facilitating collaboration in new and exciting ways. Visuals of virtual meetings, collaboration tools, and remote team interactions. Virtual meetings, collaboration tools, and digital platforms are enabling teams to work together seamlessly, regardless of geographical boundaries. We'll discuss the opportunities and challenges of virtual collaboration and how it's reshaping teamwork and productivity. Segment 5. Embracing work-life integration. Work-life integration is becoming increasingly important in the future of work. Let's examine how individuals and organizations are embracing this concept. Visuals of work-life balance activities, flexible work arrangements, and employee well-being initiatives. Work-life integration emphasizes the importance of maintaining a healthy balance between work and personal life. We'll explore the initiatives organizations are taking to prioritize employee well-being, flexible work arrangements, and fostering a positive work culture that promotes both productivity and personal fulfillment. And that concludes our exploration of the future of work. From automation to remote work and the skills needed for success, the world of work is undergoing a transformation like never before. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unravel the mysteries of tomorrow, exploring the cutting-edge technologies and visionary ideas that will shape the way we work and live.